Hey mummers, today we're going over the bench press. Now this is quite a complex move, so I'm going to try and break this down as simply as possible and lay the foundations for a good bench press. So the first thing you want to have set up is your foot position. This is the only connection you have with the ground, and the chain of events that occur through the body and go through the bar is dependent upon a really solid foundation. So pressing hard through the feet, wide stance as if you're got a squat stance on. The next is the knees. The knees are slightly pushed out, and as you can see with Megan there, her hips or her bum is squeezed really tight, and there's an arch in the back. Now that's designed to protect the spine. With more flexibility and more strength, you'll be able to get a bigger arch, but for now you may only have a small arch, and that's okay, just as long as those back muscles are contracted. The final piece before the barbell is the shoulder blades. So shoulder blades are squeezed together as tightly as possible, and chest is lifted up. As you look up the arms, they are in a straight line, and the wrists, most importantly, are turned over. They're not backwards. Okay, can you just show me a backwards? Yep, so if you let your wrists go backwards, you put too much pressure on the shoulder joint and you don't actually place the weight over the chest. So this is a perfect setup for a bench press. From there, everything stays tight, and then the barbell goes down for 1, 2, 3 with a slight pause, half count, and then a big drive to push back up. So let's see that once more. And just a side note, you can see that Megan's using a preset bar. Olympic bars at any gym are most likely to be 20 kilos in weight, which is quite high. So be sure to use the preset bars to begin with.